Are you tired of trying to build your own business, only to get stuck with those pesky monthly fees for tiny commissions? I feel you. But what if I told you there's a better way? If you're ready to break free from feeling stuck, make some extra income from home, pay off that debt, or maybe even replace your 9 to 5, then listen up. I've got something that could be a total game changer. Picture this. A proven, step-by-step blueprint to earn extra income, zero debt yuck, debt-free life. Working part-time from home while making full-time money. Setting your own schedule, working when and where you want. And most importantly, more time with your family without the financial stress. Sounds amazing, right? Well, you're in the right place. Introducing the Legacy Community, a place where we teach you exactly how to attract daily paying customers, build a brand, and grow your email list, all without the headache of monthly fees. Oh, and did I mention? We also host monthly Zoom meetups to help you grow even faster. So, if you're ready to take that first step toward financial freedom, join us today and start transforming your life.